Zumzy's ice cream truck visit. Listen, do you hear that music? Let's go see. Look, the ice cream truck. Ice cream truck, so colourful. Yay, it's here. Let's wait in line. Line, 1, 2, 3 friends waiting, patiently now. Time to order. Order, which flavour? Strawberry, please. Here comes the ice cream cone. Ice cream cone, thank you, pink and yummy. Let's sit and eat it in the sun. Eat. So sweet, what a treat. Ice cream truck, line order, ice cream cone. Eat. Hooray! What a sweet summer day. Bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New adventures every week. See you next time.